Have you ever been told that Premiere Pro can't export transparent or alphaed out video clips? They're mistaken. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today I'm going to show you an easy way how to export transparent or alphaed out video from Premiere Pro. Once you are finished working on a text animation or keying out your subject, go to export your sequence. And under Format, you will choose the QuickTime option from the drop-down. After you select QuickTime, drop down on the video and change the video codec to animation. Next, you'll want to change the depth from 8 bits per channel to 8 bits per channel plus alpha. A small note, your file sizes will be large, but it does work. Now you're ready to export your sequence with transparency from Premiere Pro. If you learned anything new from today's tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.